welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the long-awaited room tour. This has been something y'all have been waiting for like 6 or 5 months, basically since I've been living at this apartment. Anyways, I think my room is kind of completed. Honestly, it's just good enough at this point. I think it's cute, so hopefully you guys think my room looks good. Anyways, let me just go ahead and show you guys the room. Alright guys, so this is what you see when you guys enter my bedroom. Yeah, let me just show you guys everything. Right when you guys walk in, this is basically what you guys see, and it's basically the entire room layout right in front of your face. I don't really know how to describe this, but let me just show you guys what's on this side. So as soon as you guys walk in, obviously there's the bathroom door over here, which I'm not gonna show you guys that because the bathroom is honestly not that cute. But over here, this is basically like my little TV area setup. I am obsessed with this neon light that I got recently. I think it is just so pretty. But yeah, I got this TV recently, and I believe the TV is 55 inches, but yeah, that's basically the TV, and it's standing on this little cube shelf looking thing. I got this from Target, and the little cubby stuff, they're also from Target. I put some plants in here as like a decor, which obviously if you guys want to save money, just go to Home Goods because they have so many for cheap. I believe I paid only like $7 for each of them. And then I got this light here, which my boyfriend got me this for Christmas, but if you like touch it, it like basically lights up on his light too because we both have one. Mine is not plugged in at the moment, but yeah, this is basically this little setup right here. I'm actually so glad I have this TV because I watch a lot of TV, especially K-dramas, so this has been very useful. Also, little fun fact, I really like having super adventurous dreams, so sometimes I watch TV before I go to bed so that I can dream about whatever show I'm watching. Recently I've been watching so much Penthouse, and Penthouse is like this K-drama, so I keep getting dreams about that show, which is so weird. But I've also been watching like The Walking Dead, so I have like really cool adventurous like zombie dreams. I don't know, I'm so weird. So if you guys want to have weird dreams, just watch a lot of TV before you go to bed. Anyways, so yeah, that's this little setup which I'm so obsessed with. And then of course I have this little corner which I put a big ass plant, and I got that from IKEA, as well as the little bamboo thing at the bottom. This was only like $50 I think, so it's so affordable for a really big plant. So yeah, go to IKEA if you guys want to save money on really large like fake plants because they just make the room look so much cuter. Something about like the accent of green of plants, I think they just look so good. And then of course I just have my little yoga mat there, which I got that from Home Goods. And then I have this little shelf thing, which I think I paid only like 30 or 40 bucks for this little thing, but I got it from Amazon. And I originally got it from my closet at the room I had at my parents' house because I just needed a lot more storage. But now that I live in this apartment, this thing is just so tiny and it really is just too small for the room. But I just keep it in here anyways because I don't want to like waste it or get rid of it. Honestly, it matches the room anyways just because of the color. I have like products like skincare and hair care. But yeah, and then up here I just have this little whiteboard to-do list thing, which I just cleared it off, but I usually fill it out when my week is just super busy. And when my week is not as busy, then I just don't write anything. But I only need it when I'm super busy because my brain be going on overload. Okay, so that was this little side. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's on this wall. And that's me over there. I have my, of course, trash can. And of course, living in Minnesota, you need a little heater. So that's why I have a heater, which it looks so ugly. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I have, of course, my YouTube plaque. And I just leave it on this windowsill. And then I have this, like, picture frame with me and my boyfriend. It was from Christmas. So that's that little corner. And, of course, I have my little Google Home because I use her a lot. I have one in my room, one in my bathroom, and one in the kitchen. Of course, I have my little drawer right here, which is from IKEA. I just keep all my makeup in there, and I feel like honestly all YouTubers have that, so not gonna go too in depth with that. But of course we have my little desk set up, and it's nothing too crazy. I really just went a simple route with this little thing. Of course I have my little chair. I got my chair from Home Goods. Alright, so my desk here is actually from Target. I got this desk years ago, so honestly I don't even think Target sells it anymore. You know, it matches my room. It's that light wood with the white. And then up here we have basically my little vanity light everything, and I bought this from Amazon. I'll make sure to link everything down below. So I got my plants, and I got both the plants from Home Goods. And then of course, you know, this is my desk where I do my makeup, and I just kind of have like hair product stuff because, you know, kind of need that. And then I keep my journals right here. The two journals I use the most, which is just like my little notebook, and I just write down like bills and stuff on there. And then I have this other one. They're both from TJ Maxx. As it says here, a guided self-care journal to help manifest the best version of you. Ew, there's like, you know, it just, I'll show you guys. Like, this is how it looks like inside, and it kind of just asks you things and you just answer, and it keeps you mentally very organized and motivated. And then there's like a to-do list, top priorities, and then this, I really like this page, which is basically like a creative space page where you write what's on your mind. These are so important to me, and I think you guys should totally invest in little journals like this because they're so affordable if you go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods anyways, because y'all know adulting can be a little difficult sometimes and sometimes overwhelming, so having journals and stuff definitely helped me out. And then of course I have makeup on here, nothing too crazy. And then this little mirror right here is actually from IKEA. So yeah, that's my little desk area, and now we're gonna move on to this little area, and this is where I keep all my jewelry. I got this little acrylic table from Home Goods. The plant is actually from Hobby Lobby, and I think it's so cute. So this jewelry holder is from Yes Style, and it holds basically like a lot of my earrings and stuff, and this opens and holds some rings. And then this side I have this jewelry holder that I got from, pretty sure it's just from Home Goods, and I just keep a lot of my normal jewelry that I wear often in here, especially like my earrings and stuff. But I love these because they're so aesthetically pleasing, especially since they match this table, which I contemplated so hard if I wanted this table or not because it was so cute, but I believe it was like $70 or $80, and like for me I was like, oh my god, for a table, oh my god. But I did it anyways because it's honestly just so cute and it matches my room like crazy. And then of course I have some perfumes and stuff here. I have like this mini bottle of my boyfriend's cologne because sometimes I like to spray it on my blankets and stuff. It just smells so good. All right, so we're gonna move on to this corner here, which is where I keep, you know, just like really cute clothes that I like to display. And I have cute shoes at the bottom and this box. But if you guys are wondering, this rack is from Amazon, and it's only like $12 or $13 or something, but it might have gone up. But to be honest, I don't recommend it anyways. It's so cheap and it gets really crooked over time, and IKEA has cheaper ones and more sturdier, so go to IKEA for white racks. But if you guys want this one, it's from Amazon. But yeah, there's nothing much to that. I just keep clothes that are cute and I like to display because you know, me being a fashionista, I use clothes as also decor. So yeah, and then I have this plant here, which is from Home Goods, no surprise. I just think that looks so cute though, like all the accents of plants in my room, honestly everything. But this huge ass mirror, if you guys are wondering, is also from Home Goods. I paid around $250 for this big ass mirror, which I think is so worth it because it's literally so big. You know, like if you bought this off of freaking Anthropologie, it would have been like $1,000. So you know, it's so worth it. And then I have this plant here, which is also from Home Goods. And then of course I have another one of these plants because it's essential, you know, to have big plants when it comes to the way I like to decor. And of course there's me, and I look so crusty today. Let's not worry about that. All right, so over here we have this, which this little area is just where I keep like the miscellaneous stuff. So in here I have like another one of these cubby things with, you know, the beige. Again, that's my aesthetic, and it kind of bothers me that these are all like kind of in like awkward positions. Okay, and then I just have this picture frame with me and my boyfriend and this bag, and then I have this butterfly light, which both my neon lights are from Amazon, and they're just so cute and they make the room look so sassy and girly, and that's just so me. So yeah, we have this little area which is cute, and then I just have like an extra pair of heels down there. Right here I have this little cat tree, and y'all know I ain't got a cat yet. The only reason I still have the cat stuff even though I didn't buy a cat yet is because I don't want to like return it and have to buy it again, especially since the stuff I got for the cat is so cute. So I'm just gonna wait for the perfect cat. Y'all know the drill. And then I just have this extra box. But y'all, this is my closet, right? And I'm not gonna go too in depth because I didn't really clean it much, but this is basically my closet, and it's very, very full. Y'all know I'm like a shopaholic, so yeah. Oh gosh, it bothers me that there's like something in that drawer and it's not like in there tucked in. But yeah, these are my heels, And yeah, y'all know already that your girl has so much shit. Like, look at all these extra purses that couldn't fit up here. Yikes. Anyways, that's the closet. It honestly got so blue because the sun is definitely going down, but I'm just gonna quickly describe over here. This is, you know, my little bed area, and I made that light up there, and it says angel with the heart at the end, and it looks kind of janky, but yeah, I don't know. Everything I do is kind of janky. But this entire bed set is from Home Goods, and this bed itself is from IKEA, so is the mattress. I have like little side tables which I recently just bought, and they're both from Home Goods. I got 2 for each side of my bed, and then I just put candles on it, and this is basically my bed setup. It's nothing crazy. Honestly, I feel like I can do more with this space right here since this wall is just so huge. And like, as you guys can tell, we have very high ceilings and very large windows. So sometimes it is so difficult to decorate because the walls are just so large, and with the windows being so big, sometimes the rooms can look very blue, or sometimes it could just look super warm. So it really depends on the lighting and stuff. And that's why it's like I love the aesthetic of my room, but when the room is super blue, like that nude look I go for sometimes doesn't match because the room is so blue. That's just probably me, I don't know. Anyways guys, that is basically my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. I know I promised this like a while ago, but I finally have delivered it. Let me know if you guys think my room is cute, because honestly I spent so much money on this damn room. Like $50 for this plant, worth it, but that's $50. That's half of 100. So I don't know. I just really like how my room looks like right now, especially this corner because of all these little plants, and I like this corner because both the walls are white. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. That being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.